The testimony published by Dr. Sundar Singh in Intensive Care Medicine concerning Nutritional Fellowship is quite interesting and is also quite rewarding for the European Society of Intensive Care Medicine. This is a way of doing practice with mentorship, with also improving networking in order to improve the care at their own sites. And there are lots of testimonies from different fellowships of acute respiratory failure, of 𝗳𝗵𝗶𝗲𝗍𝗂 on ECMO that are good examples of the mentorship, improving practice, and then delivering back to practice, back to their patients and improving patients' outcome. That's our main goal. And so the European Society of Intensive Care Medicine is very committed to continue developing these kinds of fellowships.
I had the opportunity to attend the ESICM Nutrition in Critical Illness online course, which was an excellent learning experience. It helped me lay a strong foundation in evidence-based nutrition practices in critical illness. Through this online course, I was fortunate enough to be selected for a week-long fellowship at the 𝗳𝗏𝗪𝗂𝗪 University Hospital in Stockholm. During this fellowship, I observed how multidisciplinary critical care practices and structured nutritional and rehabilitation approaches can change patient outcomes. I had the opportunity to collaborate with other international colleagues and learn from their diverse critical care settings and practices. I would like to sincerely thank ESICM for supporting this fellowship and for creating such wonderful learning opportunities. Thank you.